In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram Instant Photos. This is a new Instagram feature that allows you to send disappearing live photos similar to Snapchat. You can only take photos in real time, meaning you can't upload pictures from your camera roll or edit the image before sending it. So let's jump straight into it. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now go to your messages by tapping the messages icon. Once you're in your inbox, look for the instant icon in the bottom right corner and tap on it. If this is your first time using the feature, you may see a page explaining how it works. Simply tap through the introduction screens to continue. You'll now be taken to the camera window where you can take your live photo. From here, you can switch between the front and back camera using the rotate camera icon. You can also enable or disable the flash by tapping the flash icon. Before taking your photo, you can tap on Friends to choose who you want to send the instant to. Once you're ready, simply take the photo and it will be shared instantly with your selected friends. Now, if you want to view your previous instant photos, tap the icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will show you all the instants you shared in the past. You can tap on any instant to see reactions and responses from your friends. And if you want to delete an instant photo, tap the three dots on the photo and select Delete Instant. And that's how you can use the new Instagram Instant Photos feature. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tutorials and social media tips.